So I just let it reduce until it's become very dry, and then it is going to be frying by itself in there, and that's it. It is very salty. I don't know if I can still repair it. It's very salty. Yeah, I'm not really happy with this adobo. Yeah, I am thinking of boiling it again in water to reduce to take the salt out. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, and it is now almost 1 o'clock. We are going out. We're going to have this coffee while on my bike. Yeah, just to motivate myself being outside. Because I don't feel like working today. I feel like just staying in the bed. Yeah. Yeah, we're going out. Yo, I am so dumb. Yeah, I locked the door by accident. I thought I have my backpack with me, but yeah, I don't have my backpack with me. And the key. 2 of the keys are in my backpack. The only option I have is to call the locksmith again. Yeah, I called the locksmith, and very quick they just put something on the doorknob, move it a little bit, and it's open. That's $80 already, and that is already my 3rd time of locking the door. Yeah, the first time we broke the window, the second time I called the locksmith, and today again I called the locksmith. Yeah. And I don't think it is going to rain, but I don't know, it's a little windy, and it has been cloudy since the morning, and this cloud is not good to the eye. It's blinding, and this is how it is at the moment. And if you notice this cup, before it was not fit in here, but I just pulled it a little bit, and now it's fit. Yeah, just right. And this is how it is in here. It is very windy. Yeah. It is low tide this time, that's why the water is very far. Yeah, it is really far. Look, it is like a big playground. Very nice. Yeah, those ladies, they are doing some kind of mahjong under the sun. Really nice. More than words show you feel. That's your love for. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Making us too easy, but that's the way. Wait for you. Take a bullet straight through my brain, 'cause I would die for you, baby. And we are now here. Yeah, we're going to buy bacon and egg roll. I'm not very hungry, but yeah, sometimes it's like that. Even if I'm not hungry, I want to buy something to eat, just to have a reason for me to stay outside, or just to have something to do or something to eat. Oh, the clouds that I've shown to you a while ago, it's gone. Yeah, you can see the sky is now color blue. Yeah, and this the banana. No, what is this? Bacon and egg roll. This bacon and egg roll, this is delicious. This is like one of my favorite here in Australia. Bacon and egg roll, fish and chips. Yeah, and in here there is just a bacon, barbecue sauce, and egg. That's it, and it's delicious. I don't know why all three different kinds of birds are gathering on that parts of the water. Yeah, on the shallow water with the white color. You see, there are different kinds of birds in there. Also, yeah, pelican also. So in a couple of weeks, we are going to be back here saying, yo, good day guys, we are going home now. Yeah. Yeah, we are now here in the town center, and we are going home now. Okay, we are home. It's already 5 o'clock. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, it is now 6 o'clock, and we are going to watch the news. I already took shower.
Booster shots will be rolled out to 500,000 Australians from next week, while the rest of the population could be offered a third jab within months.
Tonight, New South Wales is nearing another vaccination.
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 10 o'clock. Yeah, I've been awake since 6 o'clock. I had my coffee and I was on my computer. And this time we are going to prepare the meal. Yeah, I'm not very happy with this. I like it that it's very well done, but I really don't like it being very salty. Oh, let's close this because it's very bright. So yeah, I'm going to recook it. We're going to use some of this oil and some of this burn things. And I'm going to put some of this frozen vegetable as usual. Some water. The saltiness of this is really unacceptable. Even if I eat it with rice, it's still very salty. No good. I don't want to just throw it away. This way we're going to put it here. And you know, this oil, this pot, yeah, this is really delicious with the soy and rice. Yeah, this is what I usually eat when I was a kid. It's good with the hot rice. I don't know if I still need to put salt and soy. Maybe no need. Yeah, I'm making pancit noodles. And I actually have new tong, and this is rubber rice. So it's not going to scratch this teflon. And I'm just going to reduce it. Cooking it this way is going to extract the saltiness from the pork. Yeah, the pork is not salty anymore, but maybe the noodles doesn't have taste. Let's check. Yeah, I was thinking about that. Look at this. I actually didn't put soy, but the color is like this. Yeah. Good. It's a balance now. Amazing. Okay, that's it. And we are going to have more of cooking later on because I have the chicken that is going to expire. Outside is really good today. Yeah. Not very windy and blue sky. I always need to put the cap because I have a long hair. Yeah, it's already 1:20 and I'm actually making my second cup of coffee together with this banana bread. Yo, I just wake up. Yeah. It's already 5:23. I didn't finish the video editing. Yeah, I won't be able to finish it because after 30 minutes, in 30 minutes is going to be the news and I'm going to watch the news.